What is up, YouTube? Today I have a crazy review, as you can see by the box. This one is serious. So as you can see, like I said by the box, it is a Cactus Plant Flea Market Nike Dunk collaboration with Swarovski crystals. So if you're not familiar with what Swarovski crystals are, Nike has done some previous collaborations with these before, and you just have to see for yourself. Stay tuned to the whole video, but first, do me a huge favor, throw me a subscribe down below, like the video, and please, please, please share it, and stay tuned by hitting the notification bell. So I'm putting out a lot of content, and it'd mean the world to me if you could support. Appreciate it. So here we go, let's get right to it. And so you got that green and white box on the exterior with the Air Sunshine and Swarovski stamps, just to give you that authenticity. These did release via raffle on Cactus Plant Flea Market's website. Retail was $550, and these have a resale of, they skyrocketed. Potential resale, depending on your size, of up to $2,700. $2,700. So this comes in the bag, or in the shoebox, felt, like green felt bag with that Cactus Plant smiley face and Just Do It branding. And I just wanted to throw this quick shout out into my boy Brian. Shout out to him. I'll put his Instagram here below, and throw him some love, Real good dude. He was the one fortunate enough to take the W on these. So I'm into it. And they come with this fancy white paper wrapping around it. Get that out the way, and I'm going to be very delicate with these. But as you could see also, it comes with a blue Nike Air Sky Cactus Plant Flea Market design, branding all over it. I'm going to put that lid back down just to display the shoe, but wow. So it does have Swarovski crystals across the upper, and it is in the pure platinum colorway. So you're gonna have that platinum sole as well, the platinum upper with the Swarovski crystals, and hopefully within the lights that I have within the room, you're able to see the shine and shimmer off of these crystals. It's made to look like a disco ball. And I kid you not, that's what the purpose was. Here is a Cactus Plant Flea Market Nike Air tag, and it has, again, that Swarovski crystal stamp. But these are beautiful. Like, these are crazy in person. So one cool thing is that these are like studded out, because you can't have like the Nike Air branding on the tongue that you usually have, or the heel for these dunks. You do have, which I'll pull the other one out just to show you. Here's the other smiley face pendant that comes in it. This has got some weight to it, man. Some weight to it. But again, this one is wrapped in this paper. So I'm gonna put it back nicely for now. But I wanted to show you guys the insoles. It has a similar insole to the Vapor Max that you saw right there. The Vapor Max insoles, and they're crazy. You got that left-right, I'll show you one more time. You got that left-right design, and then you got that OG Dunk SB sole. These are insane. My boy hit the lottery with these. But they do have a QR code tag on the interior. So they do have the same interior insole as the Vapor Maxes through the Cactus Plant Flea Market and Nike Air collaboration as well. So that's something cool that they referenced in this to me. But other than that, I mean, these shoes have kind of left me speechless. That's how crazy they are. Just knowing the fact that they go for, in certain sizes, up to $2,700. That is insane. So let's talk about some resale, since I said that. On the secondary market, I've thrown you prices already. You know kind of what they're going for. But other than that, as a collector myself, I would recommend buying these now. These are not gonna go any lower. Swarovski crystal collaborations are either hit or miss on profit because of the high retail. However, it is, you know, year of the dunk pretty much, and well, in recent years, I should say, no disrespect to the OGs out there that have been collecting dunks 15, 20, you know, whatever, however long years. But man, these are crazy. I only see the value going up. I really do. Wait till a couple celebrities pull these out of the closet. Like, we might see these reach 5 bands. But yeah, other than that, I do recommend buying them if you have, you know, extra capital to afford these. Just hold them. I would hold. If you wanted to have a quick profit and you have a pair that you got for retail, quick profit right there. But you know, it's all what you need. It's holiday season. By the time we're watching this, it's, you know, about December. It's December 9th. But it's about Christmas time, so if you need that profit, go ahead and quick sell them. Not any shame in, you know, taking that profit, but the details that come alongside this release, like I said, with the smiley face Swarovski crystal chain, with the Nike bag, the felt Cactus Plant Flea Market bag, the extra special paper, the special box. This is crazy, okay? This is not your everyday release, and it's on a great shoe silhouette itself. So definitely grab these if you can, if you know somebody that has them, trying to get rid of them. But yeah, I love the lining on the inside too. It's got like a mesh lining, you know, probably for breathability with all this heat on your feet, you know, bars. But man, these are crazy. So I'm gonna give y'all one more look. And again, shout out to my boy Brian. But these go insane. Fully studded out all the way down to the under the laces. Like, look at that. Under the laces, they studded it out. These are beautiful, beautiful shoes. So, hope you guys enjoyed this review so much as I did filming it. I'm just blessed to be holding this shoe, honestly. But I love all the details. Me, as you know, my personal opinion, I love this shoe. I would wear it. I would wear it to like a wedding or somewhere you could just shine, literally, you know what I'm saying? But these are insane. So definitely grab a pair if you can. Either way, if you're like me, just appreciate the review and able to see it on YouTube. But yeah, appreciate you guys. So you guys know what to do. Be easy.